Okay, so today we are making simple chocolate cake here. Very simply, this is very easy to be prepared at home. Here I have taken plain flour. Exact the measurement of this same cup. Keep it in mind that you take the same cup for measurement of all the ingredients, because or else the measurement may differ and um, your cake may not come out properly. So I have taken here 1.5 cup of plain flour, and here I have taken 2 cups. First I have measured 2 cups of sugar over here and then grinded it, not before. First I had measured it and then grinded the 2 cups of sugar. Here I have the sugar powder and 1 cup of vegetable oil, complete 1 cup. I have corn flour, which I'd be needing near about 1 spoon, and cocoa powder, which would be needed as, like, you can add it the way you like, because if you want it to be a dark chocolate cake, you will be needing near about 5 to 6 spoons or 7 spoons maybe, whereas a simple cake may be needing 5 spoons or 4 spoons, heaped spoons I mean, and 5 eggs. You can add vanilla essence because it gives a distant smell to the cake, but chocolate cakes usually don't need it because the cocoa powder does the work of the, like, of removing the smell of the eggs. So there we go. Now I'll just take all the ingredients and mix it. Okay, so I have added everything, just because don't mind, because I had to pause the video and do all the work. So I had done it. It's all done. Only to show the measurement, I have kept the baking powder and cocoa powder not yet added, or else the eggs, sugar, everything as per to the measurement is added, and the oil too. Now for the baking powder, I'll take, this is half spoon, there I'm giving it, and I'll be needing another half, as we have taken much of flour. So it's done. And now the cocoa powder, actually we'll mix the cocoa powder as per to our need, so we may add it later on too. I'll add some right now. This. Take it. Actually, I'm doing it single-handedly, so I'm getting a bit troubled, but then that's completely okay. Okay, first we're adding this much, and let's just mix it to see the consistency as well as the color. So I'll just mix it. You have to go on mixing it like this. It's quite heavy as so much of flour, sugar, eggs are added, so it's quite heavy. Okay, so you need to use your hands, because to make the cake mixture completely fine and to let the sugar dissolve completely, you need to put in your hand so that you can understand the consistency as well. And now you can see I have already done it, though it's not completely mixed. You have to do it like this way, and so that you can feel, and this movement will allow the bubbles to form. Once I'm done, like, we can see complete air bubbles in the batter, which come up completely by themselves, which will indicate us that the mixture is ready. There we go. Okay, so this is, here you can see these bubbles. These are getting formed by themselves, and yet you can see some particles like chocolate particles and the flour as well, which needs to get mixed completely so that it turns into a fine batter. So you need to go on with this movement. Okay, so after a continuous 20 minutes of mixing, we have come to a very smooth paste, and as you can see, the bubbles are getting created by themselves. So which means the batter is completely ready to be baked. So now we can make our pressure cooker ready. Okay, so here I have greased this pressure cooker, preheated pressure cooker, with, you can see, oil, and sprinkled a bit of flour in it. Note that no lid or rubber can be put, because the cake or else won't get fluffy enough and won't rise too. So no lid or anything. So it's a preheated, so it's still hot, and I'll pour the cake mixture in it directly and place it on the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll make sure that it is on medium heat, as or else it will get burnt. So as you can see, the cake mixture is completely settled. I have poured the entire cake mixture in it, and now I'll just close the lid over there. It's simply like that, without any lid and without any rubber, and place it on medium heat for near about 15 to 20 minutes. And once the cake is ready, I'll keep it to cool down and then would take it out from the pressure cooker. Okay, just like after 40 minutes, our cake is completely ready. It's right now it's completely too hot, so we cannot bring it out right now. It needs to get cooled down, and then we can take it out.